The objective of this lesson is to produce a drawing of a mystery shape by using a set of given instructions with their understanding of angles. Students should be able to describe and reason with others about the mystery shape using their knowledge of angles, turns by degrees, and length of lines. Students should understand how to correctly use a circular protractor for drawing angles and a ruler for measuring lines. Although students will be constructing shapes, it is more important in this lesson to be able to reason about the information given to determine the correct shapes. You are going to draw a mystery shape. A set of instructions tells you to make a small dot in the middle of your paper. From the dot, draw a 4 centimeter line. Turn right 90 degrees. Draw an 8 centimeter line. Turn right 90 degrees. Draw a 4 centimeter line. Turn right 90 degrees. And then draw an 8 centimeter line. If these instructions were followed, what would be drawn? We can reason that the shape has 4 right angles. We also can see that 2 sides measure 8 centimeters long, and the other 2 sides are 4 centimeters long. From the measurements, we can determine the shape is not a square, but a parallelogram or a rectangle with 2 sets of parallel sides. Although reasoning about the shape is the main focus for this lesson, let's try to draw the shape with the correct angles to see if we can determine the shape. First, make a small dot in the middle of your paper. Using this dot as the starting point, draw a line segment measuring 4 centimeters. From the right end point of this line, turn the paper 90 degrees. Now draw another line segment measuring 8 centimeters long. From the end point of this line, turn the paper another 90 degrees. Now draw another line segment that is 4 centimeters long. From the end point of this line, turn the paper another 90 degrees. Draw another line segment that is 8 centimeters long. What is the mystery shape you've drawn? Let's try another one. Here are the clues. Number 1, draw a small point. Number 2, draw a 5 centimeter vertical line from the point. Number 3, turn left 150 degrees and draw a 6 centimeter line. Number 4, turn left 120 degrees and draw a 3 centimeter line. From reading the instructions, we can visualize that our new shape only has 3 lines. We can reason that a closed shape with 3 line segments must be a triangle. Let's draw the shape to see if we are correct. Number 1 says to draw a small point. Let's label it A. Using a centimeter ruler, we will draw a 5 centimeter vertical line from the point. Let's label the second point at the end of the line B. Next, place a circular protractor over the line with the point B at the center mark. Follow the protractor from 0 going left to the 150 degree and mark a tick. Then change to a ruler and draw another line from point B through the mark that is 6 centimeters long. Let's mark this point C. Last, place the protractor over the line with the point C at the center mark. Moving to the left, draw a tick mark at the 120 degree mark. Line up the tick marks with points A and C and draw a line that is 3 centimeters long. It looks like we do have a triangle. Our reasoning was correct. Students should have practiced reasoning about drawing mystery shapes and drawing angles to represent different shapes. The objective for the lesson was to produce a drawing of a mystery shape by using a set of given instructions with their understanding of angles. We met this objective by using a protractor and a ruler to draw mystery shapes.